How to create animated presentations with Canva for beginners 2023. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we are going to be talking about how you can create animated presentations using Canva in the most easiest, efficient, and non-profitable way possible. Okay, and it's going to be really great because I'm going to be going through all the steps by adding motions to your presentations. We're going to be talking about all the different text, the designs that you can use. I'm also going to tell you how to make it from scratch if you want to do that, and it's going to be really fun. It's going to be really good and really easy, so please do make sure to fully watch this video till the end to learn everything in great detail and depth about Canva and how you can use this amazing platform to create animated presentations. So without further ado, let's get straight into this. So first of all, you're going to come over to Canva. Okay, you're right here, and you're going to see all these designs. So first of all, let's go ahead and open up presentation. So you're going to click on this, which will open up the presentations tab. And in the presentations tab, you're just going to go over here. Like, let's say here's the presentation, 16:9 ratio. Now, once you're into the presentation tab, you can see a lot of things. So let's say I'm going to pick up template. Okay, so let's go with this. I'm going to go with this art history and museum template. Looks pretty good, looks pretty nice. There's a lot of things going on, a lot of designs, nice stuff. So to start animating things, you're going to basically come up here where it says animate, and you're going to click on that. So here you are. Now here you can see tons and tons of animation. So you have the simple, sleek, fun, party, disco. There's just a lot going on, but obviously most people make the mistake of just smothering animations into their presentation, but they don't see the type of presentation they're making. If your presentation is like this one, as you can see, it's really light, neutral, and it looks pretty simple because there's very soft touching colors and all. So it wouldn't make sense if you basically added very, you could say, moving, jumpy, or very fast animation. That just wouldn't make sense, would it? So it's our job to properly see the right amount of design. Now, in this in this presentation's case, let's go ahead and add some element presentations. So yeah, that looks nice, doesn't it? And then you can, add rise. There could be a zoom. Yeah, I'd say this one looks good. I'm going to add that. And then you can also choose if you want it on enter, on exit. I'm going to keep it on enter. Okay. And once you choose that, for exit, we're also going to, add this on exit. So let's see how it's going to look. Okay. Let's open up the presentation tab and let's see what kind of look it actually gives us. So I think the animations should be good to go with it. Yeah, I think the animations are on. Yeah, that's good enough. Now, let's go ahead and add a page. Obviously, this is the page that we're going to add, which is going to be your table of content. Now, in the table of content, as you can see, we have texts. Now, you can also animate text. So let's say I'm going to do this for the text. It's going to come in the tectonic way. You're going to do the same for all these texts, position, animate. Yeah, that looks nice. So we're going to add all of these on enter. Now you're going to go and present. Now, if you come here to this slide, look at that. Now, obviously, it's not starting in the proper way because, we're on Canva right now. But if you download it in the right form, obviously, it's going to do that. Because as you can see, when we go next, it fades it out. And look at that. So you can see how nice and great it looks when you actually put in the proper animations and the proper looks when it comes to, your basic presentation animation. Now, moving on, you can also add, proper humanoid things into presentations. Let's say I'm going to add a page. Let's go ahead and we're going to go in apps. Okay. And you're going to make sure to add a video tab. I'm going to go here. I'm going to add a video tab because in the video tab, we're going to get, proper videos. So in the video, I'm going to go ahead and write office. And let's choose an office video. Now, most of these are, as you can see, paid. Yeah, this one looks free. So let's go ahead and add this over here. Now, this is your basic video. So you could obviously do this. It's make sure it's centralized. There we go. And then you're going to add animations into this. Yeah, that looks good. Let's add that on enter and exit both. Looks pretty good. And then you can also animate elements into this. So let's say I'm gonna go ahead, click on add page. Let's go back on the normal design. So let's say we're gonna add the sculptures. Now we're gonna go in elements. I'm gonna write confetti, as you know, let's say we wanna put in some confetti over this. Let's increase its size. You know, it should be enough to cover the whole image. Yeah, that seems good enough. And obviously you can animate this into the proper tectonic thing. Wait, yeah, there we go. We're gonna add that on exit, okay? And obviously you can add more duplicating things, like you can duplicate a whole page if you want to. You can add more integratory stuff into your design. And once everything is done, obviously you can share it and download it into a standard PDF section, or you can, you know, just present it normally. So if we were to present it, and let's go on autoplay, okay, now that's the autoplay timings. Here it's on autoplay. Let's present it. So there you can see everything comes in, and 5 seconds later it changes, looks really nice. 5 seconds later changes, this comes in, there's the video popped in, and it's gonna pop out. Yeah, there we go. And then finally there's the confetti, and there you go. So, you know, that is how you can add different animations into your presentations. Just click on the animation tab and everything should be good for you. Like, but do remember, you know, what I stated, that people always overdo the animations depending on, like, if you could say, presentation requires good animations, like a lot of jumpy animations, then do put it in. But if it's a normal soft-hearted presentation like this, then I wouldn't recommend too big of a you know, design. So yeah, that's about it. You know, pretty easy, great, and massive stuff to get your head around. So yeah, that is how you're going to be creating an animated presentation with Canva in the easiest, most simplest way possible. So again, if I were to, you know, go over the whole thing and go over the whole, you know, design and structure, basically all you're going to want to do is just be making sure that the animations and the design you put in are according to the theme. Like, don't make it too jumpy, or don't make it too grand, because that's just, you know, in general gonna ruin things. And in my opinion, that doesn't like make it too attractive either. So just make sure to keep a light hand on these things. And also do make sure to get Canva Pro, because the features that Canva Pro provides you and all the different animations and all the animation settings that Canva Pro provides you is out of this world. So just go ahead and use Canva Pro for yourself. It's a great thing to have in your repertoire. It's a great thing to have in your inventory. And I always recommend all my watchers and users that this is a great thing to have for your Canva. So yeah, basically that's about it for this video. Now if you enjoyed watching, drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below and I'll make more for you. But that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.